We're stepping out of the stadium and into your browser for a quick tech timeout that's as simple as a layup. You want Google Running Point as your default search engine in Chrome? Here's how you do it, play by play. You fire up Google Chrome on your computer. Top right corner, you see those 3 vertical dots, think of them as your coaching menu. Click that, then hit Settings. That takes you to Chrome's main control room. On the left side, there's a list of options. You're looking for Search Engine. Click it, and now you're in the part of the lineup card that decides who takes the shot from the address bar. Front and center, you'll see Search Engine used in the address bar. There's a drop-down right next to it. Click that, choose Google, and just like that, Google moves into the starting role as your default search engine. If you want to tinker with the roster a bit, you hit Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You'll see every engine Chrome's got on the bench. Remove the ones you never use, adjust shortcuts if you want, that's all bonus strategy. Now you test the play, open a new tab, type anything into the address bar, hit enter, and those results should come screaming in from Google. Simple steps, big win, your browser just got a star player.